So I just finished watching It's a Wonderful Life. It's December 25 currently, and since I'm trying to make my own traditions by being independent and alone on Christmas, I thought, you know what, let's give It's a Wonderful Life a chance, and how should you watch? I don't think there's some parts where I don't think I'm deep enough to understand the movie. I don't think I have life experiences that are enough for me to fully grasp and understand how beautiful of a movie it is. But it is beautiful. I did tear up. It is currently inspiring me to write and do more things with film. It's a great film. Yeah, I do agree that there are, like, it's literally, there's a lot of copies or ideas, or it's been made into an inspiration for so many movies that the idea is not that original anymore. But it's from a movie in the 1940s. It's pretty good. I don't feel like myself because I just watched that movie and I'm just processing all that, and I can relate to it. Personally, I can't really speak much right now about what I think,